How to get your girlfriend to love you more. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't love supposed to just happen naturally? Well, yes and no. While love is certainly a magical thing, it also requires effort and nurturing to grow and deepen. That's where you come in. In this video, we'll explore some actionable tips and strategies that can help you strengthen your bond with your girlfriend and make her feel loved and appreciated. Communication is key effective. Communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. It's about being open, honest, and willing to listen to each other's thoughts and feelings. Make time for regular conversations, not just about the day-to-day, but also about your dreams, fears, and aspirations. Quality time together. In today's busy world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. But remember, quality time with your girlfriend is essential for nurturing your connection. Dedicate time each week to unplug from distractions and focus solely on each other. Whether it's a romantic dinner, a cozy movie night, or an adventurous hike, make the most of these precious moments. Acts of service actions speak louder than words, and showing your girlfriend that you care through acts of service goes a long way. Help her with errands, cook her dinner, or simply give her a massage. These thoughtful gestures demonstrate your love and willingness to go the extra mile. Thoughtful gifts. Giving gifts doesn't have to be grand or expensive. It's the thought that counts. Pick up her favorite coffee, bring her flowers from your garden, or write her a heartfelt letter expressing your love. These small tokens of appreciation can brighten her day and strengthen your bond. Respect and support. Respect your girlfriend's individuality, dreams, and opinions. Be her cheerleader, her shoulder to cry on, and her confidant. Support her endeavors, encourage her passions, and celebrate her successes. Keep the spark alive. Don't let the spark fade away. Keep the romance alive by surprising her with spontaneous gestures, planning special dates, and making her feel like a queen. Remember the little things that made you fall in love in the first place and continue to cherish them. Openness and honesty. Be open and honest with your girlfriend, even when it's difficult. Honesty builds trust and strengthens your connection. Avoid hiding things or bottling up your emotions. Instead, communicate openly and work through challenges together. Physical intimacy. Physical intimacy is an important aspect of many relationships. Make time for cuddles, kisses, and other forms of physical affection. Nurture your physical connection to deepen your emotional bond. Patience and understanding relationships require patience and understanding. There will be ups and downs, disagreements and misunderstandings. Approach these challenges with a calm and patient attitude. Listen to each other's perspectives, work through issues together, and never go to bed angry. Appreciation and gratitude. Never take your girlfriend for granted. Express your appreciation and gratitude for her presence in your life. Let her know how much she means to you and how lucky you are to have her.